Hi, I'm One Blazing One, and today I'm going to be walking on nuts and bolts.
That sounds dodgy. You're going to be walking on someone's nuts. Don't forget your bolts! Oh, fuck! Shit, they nearly went over the neighbour's fence.
Loading up the sock now with all the bolts.
Hold on.
Yeah, get them bolts.
The bolts.
Salt course ready. Move, soldier!
This is nuts and bolts.
Get moving!
I am.
That's it! Black Ops dive! 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 Excellent work, cadets!
Oh my god. I'm soaked again. Oh my god, the amount of is that still recorded?
Yep.
The amount of showers at your house.
It's becoming a regular thing to have a shower when you leave.
I've been One Blazing One. Comment, rate, subscribe, and all that jazz. Don't forget to subscribe to Be Blazing. We upload Tuesdays and Fridays. I'll see you around. Remember to give it a like.